In this video, I'm gonna show you how to back your Google homepage to google.com. When you are open your Chrome browser and you are looking some another page, not Chrome google.com, so you can back google.com by pressing these three dots, then settings. And here click on startup. Open a specific page or set of pages. So click on these three dots and click on remove. If you are looking in here some another page, then google.com, so remove it. Now close it and reopen your Chrome browser. So now as we can see, google.com is back. So this is, friends, by this quick method we can set google.com as home page on Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.